Okay, so I'm just showing off some of the art that I've done before. Hello everybody and welcome back to my vlog. So a lot of people don't know this about me, but I actually draw. I never went to art school or anything. I'm actually self-taught, but when I draw it actually does look nice. I also paint, and most of my art is sketch, but I do paint, I do colors and everything. Now I'm gonna be doing some art videos. I've had people ask me before, like, how do you do this? And it's like pretty easy, but it's like a lot to explain. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna start recording when I'm drawing something and then post it, and then it's gonna be an art video. So this is officially the first art video, so it's gonna be hashtag art video #1, and then I guess the video title. All of them are not gonna have like an introduction like this one, and I don't know how I'm gonna keep doing it moving forward, but since this is the very first one, I thought it should have an introduction. If that's something that you guys are interested in, just give it a like and a comment below if you really like it, or if there's something specific you want me to draw. Honestly, I could draw anything. I even draw people sometimes, so you guys can comment below if there's something specific you want to see during my next art video. That will also give me ideas. Yeah, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so this is what you will need. Alright, so I draw hands-free, so I don't really care if my circles are perfect, but start with a circle, then draw another tiny circle, and then draw that little tiny circle at the corner over there, because I watch a lot of anime, and like, you know, I like the little glare thing. Anyway, so draw a line right below. This is too fast, oh my god. Okay, draw a line down. Oh my god, why did I speed it up so much? You guys are gonna have to slow it down. But like, yeah, you see what's going on. You know what I mean? And then yeah, boom, I did. Okay, I don't like when they touch like that, so like I like to give a little space first, and then the line has to be curved, but then at the beginning slint it a little, then do the little eye corner thing so it could look more realistic, you feel me? Then oh yeah, delete the lines in the middle. I forgot to say that. Draw in the little, this is so fast, you guys are gonna have to slow it down, because like honestly I already edited it and now boom. Okay, so you draw little like pointy things, like you see how I have the little lines, right? You draw that like around the dark circle, then you draw it around the big circle as well, you know, to give it that little real eye illusion, you know. Then you draw in that other corner, you make sure, you know, I just did that just now. Now for the lashes, I like to have them curved, so the outer it is, the curvier it is, and then you see how in the middle the lines are getting straighter. Yeah, so do that. And then draw little eyelashes between the big lines that you drew, but remember curves, okay? I like to freestyle a lot, like I said before, so yeah, I'm just freestyling. So to me, drawing is really a hobby, you know, so I do it hands-free. It's relaxing. Oh yeah, I like the outer eyelash to be like mad long, so then when I add it in, then I could really measure the rest of the lashes, but like always make sure the inner corner right here though, like the lashes are shorter. Now for the bottom, I draw a line, like not exactly on the bottom, like give it a little space, you see? And then the bottom lashes is the same, but like make them a little shorter and a little straighter. And I didn't like how I did that part over there, you know? So I went ahead and I erased it and redid it. So, you know, just like in life, like drawing is like life. Like if you mess up, you don't give up. You can't erase a mistake in life though. So what am I talking about? Okay, so for the eyebrows now, I like to do like a little nose bridge, you know, and then the way I measure it is like right the end of the eyeball right there is where I'll do like the little arc, and I love the arc. You feel me? I feel like the eyebrows, the arc here, the brows, the flicker, the brows, boom, period. But don't go back to the beginning of the video and watch my eyebrows because I didn't do them, okay? So yeah, that's the finished product of the eye. Now we move on. Okay, so now we're moving on to how to draw a nose. So this is how I draw a nose, actually. I mean, that's more realistic, you know? That's what I'm around. And it's beautiful. We're gonna have to love it. Yeah, so them two little dots I did, it's supposed to be the eyes, but like I just showed you guys how to draw the eyes, so I didn't feel like drawing it again, you know? So for the lips, I like to make them real juicy, and like you see that little dent in the middle, that's like necessary. You gotta draw that. Like Google Rihanna's lips and like you gonna see like, wow, it's beautiful that way. So you give the lips a little definition right there by doing the little curve at the top, the little curve at the bottom, you know. You shade it in and, you know, like glossy lips. Even under the mask, like I wear lip gloss. Anyways, we're done and we're just correcting lines. That's all I'm doing, but it's done. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Like I said, not all the art videos will have an introduction. They might not all have an outro. Again, this is the very first one, so I thought it should be well introduced. So thank you guys for watching. Please give it a like, share it with your friends, comment below whatever you want me to draw next. See you guys next time. Bye. And these are just a few more of my sketches.